Om Sri Saraswatyaya Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn our lesson 3, Prose, Mongoose, SGP 1. Mongooses are carnivorous animals. They like to eat flesh or meat. In India, mongooses are called Neola. Neola is a synonym of mongoose. The group of mongooses are called mob of mongooses or troop of mongooses. Let's read page number 18, lesson 3, mongoose. SGP 1, sense group, paragraph 1. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby, while poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Mongooses look very amusing. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. Here in this chapter, look out means watch carefully, chase to catch and kill. Poking means to push or move something. But here, poking means to push or move their nose. Mongooses push their nose into the holes to get food. Look for means to search for. Looking out and look for both are phaser words, but their meanings are different. Millipedes means long, thin insects with a lot of legs. Twittering means continuous sound. See some pictures of beetles. Mongooses like to eat beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. See the difference between millipedes and centipedes. Now see paragraph number 2. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks and bushes by twittering and calling. Twittering means continuous sound. Always on the lookout for danger, hawks and eagles. They warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. Warn means to tell about danger, and alarm means warning bell of danger, and suspicious means doubtful. When mongooses see something suspicious, doubtful, they warn one another or tell about danger with a special alarm call. Now we will do some comprehension question answers. What are the paras about? The paragraphs are about the common nature of mongooses. Both the paras talk about one very common nature of mongooses. What is that common nature? That common nature of mongooses is hunting together. Number 3. Mongooses do two things. In other words, their activities or work can be divided into two kinds. What are they? Answer number 3 is the activities of mongooses can be divided into two kinds. They are living together and hunting together. Look at the picture. How mongooses live together. Question number 4. One of them is looking for food. What do mongooses normally eat? Mongooses normally eat beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. Question number 5. They eat beetles, millipedes, etc. But mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures? Answer number 5 is the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. These big creatures are hawks and eagle. Hawks and eagles are the big hunting birds. Question number 6. They look for food, but they also look out for danger. Look out means watch carefully, but look for means search for. These are phrasal verbs. Number 7. One very common nature of mongoose is living and hunting together. Both the paras talk about these common features. Give some examples in support of this from these two paras. Answer. One very common nature of mongoose is living and hunting together, but the paras talk about this common feature. Some examples in support of this are: they travel in groups of about 20 to look for their food. The group of mongooses are called troop of mongooses or mob of mongooses. They like to hunt together, they like to live together, and they like to travel in groups of about 20 to look for food. Question number 8. How do they keep in touch with one another? They keep in touch with one another by twittering and calling. Number 9. How do they warn each other when they see anything dangerous and suspicious? Warn means to tell about danger. How do mongooses tell about danger when they see anything dangerous and suspicious? Answer number 9. Mongooses warn each other with a special alarm call when they see anything dangerous and suspicious. Suspicious means doubtful. Number 10. The writer calls the mongooses very amusing animals. Amusing means entertaining. When do they look very amusing? The writer calls the mongooses very amusing animals. They look very amusing when they poke their noses into holes, overturn rocks with their paws, and scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Here are some opposite words for you. Sharp opposite is blunt. Stand opposite is sit. Able, unable, quickly, slowly. Let's know some additional question answers. What do mongooses like? Mongooses like to hunt together. How do they scratch the ground? They scratch the ground with their sharp claws. How do they travel? They travel in groups of about 20. The group of mongooses are called mob of mongooses or troop of mongooses. Why do they travel in groups? They travel in groups to look for their food. Look for means search for. Why do they use a special alarm call? They use a special alarm call to warn one another about the danger. Here is a list of animals and their homes. Take a screenshot and write down on your fair copy. We will read SGP2 in the next class. Thanks for watching.